What's going on, everybody? It's your boy named Matthews, back again with another video. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and hopefully you leave a thumbs up before you get up out of here. So check this out, man. The holidays just passed, man. I had some stuff on my list, and Santa brought it for the kid, man. So I'm gonna do a review on it. I'm not gonna test it out right now on camera, but I'm gonna do a review, unboxing, and a little side-by-side comparison. Then we're gonna get into it, and if you do subscribe, you're gonna see me actually use this utensil in one of my upcoming videos. So the item that we picked up today, actually Santa picked it up. My lady picked it up for the holidays, for Christmas. This right here is some new trimmers, man. These right here are the Wahl Cordless Detailer LIs right here, right? So let's get into it, man. These ones right here from Wahl. So this is one of the only companies of trimmers that I've been using, alongside some Andes, which I didn't decide to bring out right now. But Wahl Cordless Detailer LI for lithium ion, adjustable TY blade right there, precision. Let's go ahead and unbox it. First thing I noticed was all the words and stuff like that that is inside of this box. Wahl, 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 Wahl. Along with a little brief description and what it comes with and stuff like that. We're gonna see actually when we get into it. The trimmers, couple guards, they're zero gap adjustable, 100 minutes of runtime, and they're lightweight, along with the little black and white silhouette logo and stuff right there, right? So this is the box, out of the box that was in the box, you feel me? Couple words on it. I know you guys don't probably care about this part. I don't know if you guys are looking at this upside down or if I'm recording upside down, so y'all gotta forgive me with this new setup here. But yeah. Let's go ahead and get into the main part of it. We're gonna go ahead and take a deep breath. Hey, did you know we got a faded forward program? Well, not we, but they, as in Wahl. But I ain't finna sit here and read it to y'all, at least not in today's video. But I might actually do some book unboxings or chapter reads and stuff like that, because your boy be reading a whole bunch. This is something I never really discuss on the videos. But let's go ahead and see. So first, as soon as you actually take it out the box, you are greeted right here with the detailer. We're actually going to set this to the side for now because we already know that's what comes in there. So let's take a look at some of the little accessories, some of the gizmos and the gadgets, baby. So we do have the charger. Nice size charger right here. Again, with it being cordless, plug this into the trimmers and you're gonna be set to go. But I did take a little sneak peek into this box and see that's not it. We got something else in the box. We got another box in another box that came in the box. Okay, so now this is empty. So I'm gonna go ahead and toss this one to the side. We're gonna go ahead and open this. Another one. This actually says Wahl all over it, as you guys can see. All right, so we got the little cleaning brush that came with it right there, right? We got a couple of those. We have a couple guards. Let's actually see which guards we have. This is just a guard cover right here, right? So you don't cut any hair with this. You just put this on so you don't nick the blades or anything like that. And it comes with 3 guards, some oil, and another little small trimmer. I'm not even gonna take this out of the bag because I do have a couple of these. But let's see what sizes they are. We got a 1. We have a half, and we have a 1.5 guard. So that's good that it comes with this stuff. Always use these. I'm gonna keep this with it, but these, I'm gonna put these to the side because I already have a couple of these. We got the little manual in here, probably a little warranty on here. The last thing in this box, this is about the 4th box, man. The 4th box inside of the box that came with the box and the, all right, yeah. So anyway, let's keep it going, man. This right here is going to be our stand. Yes, our stand. So let's go ahead and unwrap it. Oh yeah. Real liking it. So this definitely has some weight to it, which is good already. I'm liking that. So it's not feeling very cheapish. And nice little chrome finish on there right there that says Wahl. We got some rubber feet. Let's make sure. There it is. I don't want to shake it too much, but it is non-slip for sure. We got a little breathing hole, I guess. I don't know what that is because I can't really see through, so it doesn't go all the way through, but I'm not too sure what that is for. Put that to the side right here. And now let's jump back to the main part of the show. I wanted to save this for last, man. You got to save the best for last, right? So these right here are them. Again, I don't know if I'm doing this shit upside down or not, my bad. But these are the Wahl Detailer LIs. 5 stars, baby, 5 stars. And that's not me giving them my personal rating. I'm saying 5 stars because this is the 5-star collection right there from Wahl. So these are the Detailer. I'm surprised it doesn't say LI, but I guess that's a given, seeing as how there's no cord coming out of the back. So you're supposed to know that these are the cordless version, because the regular version also does just say Detailer. We got some nice grippy texture. Well, not too grippy, but is texturized. Some little bumps and stuff like that. Give you some feelage on there. We got a nice little lip in the back right here. I do believe these are already zero gapped out of the box. And let me tell y'all straight up, man, if you guys want some good trimmers, like without having to shop around, definitely pick these up, man. I ain't even used these, but just this lineup in general, they have never let me down. I love them, man. The blade adjustable, just everything is nice on them. And I'm sure you guys are wondering how they sound, huh? Before we get to that, before we get to it, let me plug it in and show y'all. It should be easy peasy to understand, right? So you can either plug it in like this and take it with you on the go if you're on the road for a quick charge, or you can actually plug this bad boy right here into the back of this and keep this in the workstation. Am I doing it right? I knew it was upside down. I knew that, y'all. Y'all ain't got to tell me. I knew it was upside down. All right, so yeah, you can also plug it in just like this and keep that on the workstation, and it will sit in here just like this. Let me show y'all the nice at an angle, since we already at an angle the way that we're recording this video. We got the Wahl small joints right here. Before I show you guys the small joints, let me show you guys the original side by side. So we got that red cover cap like I told you guys. Comparison to the Wahl Detailer, you guys see it does say Detailer on here, but they kind of worn out compared to the nice writing. When you get oil and stuff all on them, that's how it's gonna look. But again, the sizing, right? Slightly larger is good. It's not gonna be as small in the hands, of course, but I mean, if it's gonna be wireless, you do want a big battery in there that's gonna last a little while. So same colorway, same everything right there, right? Actually, no, it's not, because the button for this one is on the bottom. We got a little on and off switch on the bottom right there. This one is on the side, so letting y'all choose, man. Again, this one has some texture. This other one does not. The original smaller one, of course, does not. And that's how it's looking. So overall, it is the same. And again, this has the 5 stars right there. And I know this is a 5-star. However, it doesn't look like they branded it, I guess, with a 5-star. And now, I'm going to go ahead and plug these in a minute, actually, because I keep forgetting to show y'all what's in the little tiny bag here. So let's actually open this one. And this is, I wouldn't say it's a 5-star, but no, for sure it's a 5-star, but it's not a Detailer. These are the G-Whiz. There it is. It says it right on them. So we also have the Wahl G-Whiz Detailers. Again, all of these are the same colorway. That's how you know they're all in the same lineup. These are the newest bad boys right here. These are the original. These have been out for a little while too. I do love these. These are also some hitters. So these are battery operated, right? AA battery, and it can be a rechargeable battery. Got to specify that because some products actually be saying you cannot use a rechargeable battery. So I do love the fact that I can use that on these. This one actually came with a yellow set of trimmers. I believe every single set, this one, and of course this one, they all came with the cover and like 3 guards. I think they're all the same size. Again, this is a half size, so yeah, they're all the same. So just different colorway with the guard covers. I wonder why they did that. I'm not too sure. But as far as the main colors for the entire product, they are all the same. So I'm actually gonna line this up real quick, and I'm gonna get up. We're gonna just sort this out real quick, so we get a thumbnail, you know what I'm saying? Thumbnail. Something like that. And while y'all looking at this thumbnail pose right there, I'm gonna go ahead and go get a battery real quick so we can test this out and you guys can hear the sound differences and the power between all of these right here. Let's go ahead and insert our 1 AA battery, rechargeable. We're gonna go ahead and throw this on in here. Now these ones right here are the ones I use just for like a quick cleanup. When I'm at the house, which is where I'm at most of the time, I always just line myself up with these. And then after I'm done recording a video of a tutorial how I do my lineup and stuff like that, I always get real close and look at myself like, I got one small hair that I missed. So let me go ahead and clean that up. That's when I bust these bad boys out right here. So I hit them with the Wahl G-Whiz. I'm gonna have to get up again to plug these in. So let me go ahead and just unwrap this right now. Luckily, there should be an outlet right behind me. So matter of fact, I ain't even gotta get up, you feel me? I just gotta lean over real quick. Hopefully I don't fall out the seat. There you go, there you go, there you go. All right, so we're gonna kick the cover off of that one. And we're gonna do a sound check, baby, sound check. Y'all ready before my camera die? All right, so we're gonna take the guards off of all of them. There it is. There's that branding that I was telling you guys about, 5-star. I said these ones had a 5-star or something like that on it. The 5-star and these bad boys is on the blade, right there. It just says 5. They couldn't fit 5 stars, so they put a 5, 1-star, standard blade. All right, so sound test. Here we go. I'm gonna put it right next to the mic. Boom, on. And nothing. Okay, so let's smack them real quick, see if they come on. All right, I think these bad boys is kind of dead. Maybe I didn't charge that battery up like I thought I did. All right, that's not a fair comparison because I do believe maybe that battery was not charged like I thought. So let me go ahead and be fair. Take this battery out. And again, we'll be right back after this commercial break. All right, so we went ahead and popped out the rejected battery right there. Let's hope that these things give us some good sound and power because you're gonna lose the battle sounding like that. All right, here we go. There it is. Okay, so it was the battery. Y'all hear that sound? Y'all see how that fit in the hand? These are the joints right here. This one's got the little cord. I told you I used to take these to school back when I was in high school. Be clipping people in the back of their head, lining them up real quick. That's how you hustle, man. Get your money up real quick. So these are sounding amazing. Lots and lots of power. As long as you got a battery that's charged up, you feel me? Because the way this battery was trying to do me in this review, oh no, man. Y'all was never going to buy these. But now that we got a good battery in there, though. Oh, yes. All right, so we're going to set these down. These are the Wahl 5-star G-Whiz. Up next in the battle, we have the original Wahl Detailers. Size comparison on these too. So these are about the same size. These bad boys are the same size. So you can get the wireless one right here, the corded joint, or the big bad boy right here, another wireless. Again, sound test. Let's go ahead and flick them on. Oh, they sound lovely to me. What y'all think? I don't know what y'all thinking, man. I'm loving these here, though. These, if you guys see me in my videos, I'm actually gonna have to, hopefully y'all see me in the other camera, but these joints right here is the one I normally use when I'm lining my beard up. And let me turn them off before I accidentally get too close to the camera or something like that and nick myself. So I have not lined my beard up for a couple days because I'm actually waiting to do it on camera for the first time with these ones right here. You guys know I like to do my first review and then I'll come back and do like a follow-up and check in with y'all, let y'all know what I'm still using and if I get any bumps and stuff like that. But yeah, man, side by side real quick. So these joints definitely sound a little quieter to me. I don't know if y'all can tell from the mic that I got connected. Let me take the guard off again too. Make sure that's not rattling extra noise. Power. Silent. These are quieter, but they still got power. All right. And now for the one that y'all been waiting for. Hopefully you guys ain't been like, hurry up and get to the point because all this is straight to the point, man. It's all important information that I'm giving. If you don't like it, just get up on out of here. All right, now anyway, to the main joints right here. Now, I did not charge these up, so I don't know if they're gonna have full power or not. I doubt it. However, I do know they're still gonna have some power to them because I flipped them on the other day. So this ain't my first time hearing them. Y'all ready? All right, let's go. We're gonna get ready to do a side-by-side with these. Here's sound test. Oh, these is not quiet at all. All y'all see is flashing too. Li, the Lees, lithium ion, that's what that means. They still comfortable in the hand. All right, let's do a side by side again. Sound test on the left. Quiet. If you want some clippers that's quiet, these are the ones. These joints, super loud. Well, I won't say super loud, but to me, the loudness is a sign of power. They got power for sure, for sure. 1 AA battery required to work. These have to be plugged into the wall. These are not, these do not have a cordless option on this specific model, but for that reason, that is why they came out with this bad boy right here. The Wahl Detailer Lithium Ion, which you can have corded. Oh, one thing I did not see, and I don't think I want to test it out right now because I don't feel like undoing the cord, just because of the way my bathroom is set up. But sometimes when you're trying to use clippers and stuff like that, if they're 100% dead, sometimes you can't use them until you give them a charge. Other times you can actually continue to use them while they're still connected to the charger. So I'm not too sure on that. However, it says they last for 100 minutes, and I think that's good enough to give you, you know, a cut or two, or maybe even 3, depending on what you need to get done. And let's see how long it takes to actually charge them up. So up to 100 minutes of runtime, or sometimes they give you an option of doing like a quick charge. I don't know, maybe it's probably in the manual, but I don't see anything on here as far as quick charging options. You know how sometimes they say 3 minutes of charge gives you 10 minutes of runtime or something like that. So I do not know how long it takes for these things to fully charged, but once they are fully charged, you do get 100 minutes of runtime. Again, that has been my review on the Wahl Cordless Detailer Lithium Ions. If you guys actually have these trimmers already, let me know what you guys think about them in the comments. If you guys want to see me actually use them on my beard, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Again, make sure, because the very next video might be, most likely, me using these. Peace out, y'all.